Then why do I have to suffer?
Sometimes I wish I could hide my face forever.
Welcome back, Lina. Thank you, teacher.
We missed you.
I miss school too. Lina, can you read the next sentence?
Yes, teacher.
Look at her face.
Look at her face.
That's enough. Everyone deserves respect.
It's okay, teacher.
Why are you sitting alone?
Nobody wants to sit with me.
How was school?
It was hard. What happened? Some students stared at me all day. I'm sorry. Sometimes I wish the fire never happened. Then why do I have to suffer?
I wish that too.
Because life is not always fair.
I'm tired, Mom.
Why are you crying?
Because I feel different.
Different doesn't mean less.
But nobody understands.
I understand.
Really?
Every day you go to school, even when you're afraid.
Yes.
That's courage.
It doesn't feel like courage.
Courage rarely feels like courage when you're living.
Today, everyone will tell a story.
I'm nervous.
What if people laugh?
You'll do great.
Hello, everyone.
Hello, class.
Hello.
Many of you know about my scar.
For a long time, I hated looking in the mirror. I thought nobody would like me. I thought my life was over, but I learned something. What did you learn? This scar tells a story, but now I am here. The fire hurt my face, but it didn't destroy my dreams.
I was shaking the whole time. Maybe things can get better.
Some days are still hard. Some people still stare.
Why do they always stare at me? I didn't ask for this.
Before the fire, nobody looked at me this way.
Sometimes I wish I could hide my face forever.
Maybe everyone would be happier if I wasn't around.
Tomorrow will be another hard day. More staring. More whispering.
More pretending I'm okay. Maybe one day things will get better.
Maybe one day people will see me, not my scar. I hope that day comes soon.
I wish I looked like I did before.
Mommy? Are you home? It still hurts. But I'm here.
You have been very quiet lately.
Because nobody likes me anymore.